Me make him please. Boom.
Said I don't pretend, that's why I'm driving the car tint up. No, me not trust them. No one no power, me no one link.
My God! Back we live on the rip. Me know say a long time me know there and thing gang. Please remember to like, subscribe, click the notification, that bell. Guys, put some money in my pocket by watching those ads. You don't know the thing go me there way.
Blaze done.
Make sure to go my dog channel, go like, subscribe, you see me? We there with the reaction, first reaction. No, not the first reaction. First reaction for this
what
channel.
are the name again?
Vibes Cartel, yeah my boy, you see me? First, from see video, me say, yo, we have to do a reaction. People we have to drop a ton of a reaction. We see a bag of reaction. You see me? But without further ado, I hope everybody alright and thing. We're gonna start the video.
Let's check out this,
Alright? Let's get into it.
Alright, so let's get it, son.
If you wanna go check out my next review for my next channel, Giovanni and T.
Alright.
Alright?
It's a Chris Carter, man.
Nice, man. Look like he's a Benz in a jail. Gaza! Gaza! Yo! The boss bitch alone me have me a team, dog. Just have me a team.
What's your name cost, brother?
What you Gaza sign? Shut ya! She just looks small. Oh my God! Boss bitch, 4K quality. Oh! Nice.
Rate that cheater, man.
No lie.
Rate that cheater.
Remember, we are not a pro, so nobody come at me, you see?
Yeah, man, I'll make sure in the comment below when you see me.
Yeah, man. Yo, Judge, I know that shit on piece long time, you know that.
What's that shit, man? Man, I got in different time, man.
So, man, I fish up you, man, but that girl a wicked, man. I kill you, say, to kill the dog, you know?
I'm here to do a bigger thing. Hey, what you doing?
Like a gangster target.
I'm a head dog, I'm a underboss.
So,
Yo, one thing, you know, everything up and running, so you act as
see, man, they brought up the liquor drink concept now.
yeah, look at compare it up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Never know ugly someone. Don't think me ugly, but them man are ugly. Shut. But watch it, teacher. Watch it, teacher. Yo, first thing first, a Gaza me say. Me don't care who will come at me. A Gaza me say.
Yo, the little thing there with the boss just up here over
here.
Editing
up down 4K everything. You see me? 1 plus. You see me? Let's get it. Yeah, my boy. That's crazy. Run down.
The crazy boy. But that secret,
Yeah.
Can't tell everybody using the video.
Yeah, man. You know, Cartel is supposed to cousin. Yo,
yeah, all the woman are going
to dog.
Yeah, man, they know the place
Watch
there.
it. Them boy, they couldn't catch me.
Yo. Me not brave enough to do that, no?
Well,
I like chewing
no, them man, they crazy. First thing for,
I
just a pass over like by gas fan. Yo, them niggas, they crazy. Me not do that. You see me, but I like he acting and thing. Oh, he acting just perfect. You see me?
That you blast up on you.
You can't kill Cartel if he acting, and if music, alright, you know too bad here. So run it back in a review, look see what happens.
Yeah, so only a bad girl there, brother.
Gaza.
Any.
Yeah.
One guy there,
feel up. Yo, 2012 now you can't have a full any back, you have to have an empty one.
Someone take push shot out.
Someone here one night, you know, want to run.
And them man be ready at the end.
What's my man out there? Good job, already guys.
I say so in man make the girl around.
Listen, I'm twitching to go. Them boy they can't hold me, man. Good to the knees now, man. Sika, bomba. A big guy is saying what man.
He man really make the girl catch him away.
I treat me keep them that I'm flying, girl. I gun that to them. I gun that. I gun that to
You got the gas no sir, brother?
I'm done long time.
Yo, when you done sprint, brother.
Brother, 1 million tree bushy guy and he's all him and run and look out. What is it? Running reviews still. But yo, who no see that the editing there? Who no see that?
With this color come cheese.
That's lit dog. See what man. Boom boom boy. The dog man jump out like a panther.
You don't think
No, people, around 7 o'clock in the night and we are doing a review. We don't have to review. You see me? We do a review every year. Anyway, next review I want 3 top here.
This man just clap you one time, not even make it head.
Ja. The jump around dancing.
You rate on the reverse or something like that.
Tell about anything now.
One thing I can't tell, lyrically bad in it.
I'm not lyrically inclined, brother.
If you think with him, I'm
watch me. When I come from man, I'm going to write over him.
I'm looking my name.
Yo, yeah, make him please. Boom. Yo, you have to be good if you can edit that to that. This right now, man, but it's still listen. It's like a green screen thing. They use this or something. Not sure.
What, brother?
Go on, make clash on, man.
Yo, I'll look up it. Love you watching your video, brother.
Yo, look up in. You can't sleep after them, man. Run it. Still, I can see what else I go on. Review done. Review done.
And you said the video about e-girl.
Ja. But yo, you said now, people. You say I'm like this review here. What do you have to do, Blazer? What do you have to do? What do you have to do? What do you have to do?
When you go subscribe, you want to press the bell.
Yeah, man.
And send me the name of the
video
we react.
React any video you want to react to.
YouTube or...
We don't care. Anybody you want, we turn in a meme by reacting. We turn them in a meme. Like, we are going to be the king of reviews. Just give you a little bit of time, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? But if you enjoyed this review here, please consider subscribing, click the notification bell, be a part of the One Clan family today. Gang, One Clan. We all set till next time. That not going too bad still out. Yeah, review something now.